anything. My hand is clean. My hand is clean. My hand is clean.
Why do you don't do my pikin?
You say I accuse me.
See my pikin.
You say I accuse me.
You see,
Thank God. Just thank God for everything. I beg Victor, hold this thing. I dey hear you. More they calm down. I dey talk to you. Mary, please calm down. Mama, calm down. I beg go. I beg. Make she small for the corner. I beg. You dey that side. Make you follow that side. I mean, you have to say, if to say now, this thing now, something happened. This is me.
Lemon.
You try.
Lemon.
Lemon.
Enter inside. Don't worry. You see that accuse me. You see that accuse me.
See my pikin.
You see I accuse me. You see that accuse me.
Mama, nothing happened.
I'm thankful to God.
Yes, I didn't know this happened to her. Nothing you will say. Let's just say, no, just be thankful. Let's just be thankful.
But everybody is literally talking about that. Man, I go inside. Go inside.
I came here because of you.
But Mama not try.
Respect me.
I dey hear you. No,
You get.
man, inside. You don't make sense. Nothing. My hand is clean. My hand is clean. My hand is clean.
You don't say your hand is clean.
My hand is clean. You accuse me. You accuse me. Let that carry your pikin go. Let that carry your pikin go.
Just give her this.
Carry your pikin go, Mama.
Let's go.
Mama, carry your pikin
Let's
go.
go inside, I beg.
Mama, Mama, I beg. It is too much. I can put it and say, yeah, stop it. You know it's a person.
I know you pass it. And that's what I'm asking you to ask. Be grateful. Now my guy.
Mama, I beg. If on a day today, Mama, if I did today, tomorrow wanna go. I don't wanna go. Carry and go. Mama, no, Mama, don't do that. Mama, that's what they don't take.
They will leave your house. They will come up for your house. They will come up for but they're just coming back for the hospital now.
You know the humiliation? Do you know what I passed through for these few days? Do you know what I passed through? Do you know the stress? I was mentally down because of her. People accusing me because of her. Me. I cannot even pop a fly. Mama.
Hey, Joe. Lemon, no problem. They will come up for your house. Just cool down. It's not the right time to start talking about this thing. Like, just coming home. Just calm down. No say, no talk anything. Don't say anything about this again. Please. Just they are putting nothing where they are put.
And they put that for live video. Man, they see the kind of character this woman they display. They accuse me every day. I don't know anything. I don't know anything before God and man. I cannot lie. I cannot hurt anybody. I cannot hurt anything. They should just go. I will pay. If it's 2 million, 3 million, 5 million, I will pay for another house. They should just go right now. I am scared of my life. I will not be living a life of fear. Small boy like me. See your character.
You never see anything. You never see anything. In this, I use this girl follow you play. You never see anything. You don't go anywhere. Now go test and say, I sit there now. Whether I don't get the level, I never do that.
But for Mama, Holy Ghost fire! Holy Ghost fire! Mama, you don't fear. You say tomorrow when I go.
We don't go anywhere.
No, they will come to my house. I don't say that's the strategy they want to use and bring her. Before all the family will not come here. All your family cannot come to my house. It cannot possible. It cannot be possible.
Kò sí kan tó jọ bẹ́ẹ̀ o. Àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ yìí mo fojú ẹ tó bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀. Máa jẹ́ ní.
You can't just be talking back and
I know this woman.
I know this woman.
What is supposed to thank God about? about right now, bro? Nancy?
You want anything?
I didn't do something bad happen to this girl. What do you? Where would you even start from? Where you want to start to explain to the world, bro? You think how many CCTV they will believe her? They're not gonna believe her, So now that's the reason why I need you to calm down, bro. Calm down for now. Anything when they pay you, anything when the mama talk. Now mama, so definitely she must definitely react the way she react.
Father Lord, I will continue serving you. I will continue serving you all through the rest of my life. Because now you want this one for me. People don't think say that me do why.
It's okay, nobody.
See accusations. Bro, you know what I'm about. You know everything.
I understand. You get money now, so definitely this kind of thing happens now. They must always think otherwise, bro. Mary, it's okay.
Please, you can rest.
It's okay, you can
Please,
rest.
you can rest.
Mary, you can rest.
But when you rest, let me say 2 days or tomorrow. I beg just go. I'm scared. I'm scared. Before they will say something about this girl, before they will say something about this girl. I don't like something to her. Before something happened to her, they will say that big to her. They will open their mouth and say that big to her. Innocent person like me. People they accuse me every day. Every day.
It's okay.
Every day. People accuse me every day. I don't know anything. I don't know anything before God and man. I cannot lie. I cannot hurt anybody. I can't hurt anybody.
You don't know anything.
People accusing me.
You don't know anything, Lemon. Please just calm down. Calm down. All this trauma, you probably never come out of her.
Accusing me. What I do? What I do? What I do? There is people that come out from my house.
I don't know.
I don't know for them.
No, banana, those who carry them come out from hospital.
I'm
What's
scared.
your problem?
Oh, that's if you come up again. Oh, that's if you come out. I'm scared. I'm scared, bro.
No, Nana, don't come up for us. Because say no to talk to me. Please listen to me.
What on this? Every time when she come back, that problem they
I
dey.
come mainland all the way from mainland.
Say that every time when Mary come back, that problem they dey. If I dey talk, they say they talk too much. They should just go. I will pay. If it's 2 million, 3 million, 5 million, I will pay for another house. They should just go right now. I am scared of my life. I would not be living a life of fear. Small boy like me. Thank God. Jesus. Oh God.
Some kind things where you do. You know the message. These people just enter here. We just enter here. You're not supposed to start reacting, asking them to leave this house.
Guy, it better make I talk down.
See them on.
Guy, that is me.
I know now.
That
just
is
if now you
me.
said you go do same thing. You
Why say they go now? When they say they
go go. They go. Lemon, and I'll talk to Mary and her mom before I leave you. You get? Just calm down.
He's a troublesome woman.
This is just a plan work with Shekima. This is a
This is a plan work for them to come.
Yes, now.
For all our
It's
family
nice
to come
here.
here. Yes.
The next thing, yeah, what is that? See, I'm responsible. Madam, I go beat you again. I didn't think that while I was out with my friends and then I posted that video, I saw that people were just commenting trash, insulting me. I don't even know. Then the next thing I had to go check, and then when you finally called me and texted me about what happened, I was surprised. Okay, now she is back. Why don't she go home? Why do you even have to bring her all the way from the hospital down to the house?
Babe, I get a reason why I do that.
It's not right. Now that she's not feeling fine, it's much better if she stays at her home so that she can get enough care. She fainted, and the next thing, people online are saying trashy things about you, saying you've hurt her. Now that she's even sick and back from the hospital recovering, what will they say next?
Babe.
Somebody cannot have a moment of peace.
I said
because of this thing.
She was with wise one.
Before they go say you don't buy her,
for
let
some
this girl
days.
go.
She was a wise one for some days. Immediately she came here, she did morning, afternoon she faints. Is it a new strategy? I don't get.
See, this thing is really stressing.
Is it a new strategy?
It's really stressing us. From the time we're supposed to travel up until now, no rest. I'm tired of all this thing. It's not good surrounding.
Thank God, you know my prayer. Thank God you're not allowed. Thank God you're not allowed. If not, they will put it on your head.
What they're already saying online.
They will put it on your head. Thank God you're
What
not
they're
allowed.
saying online already, that I did something to her and then I ran out.
Don't worry. Why don't they? Everybody will just say.
I don't have explanations for any person.
She's just coming back.
This
She's
is not
just
right.
coming back. She has not been home. Innocent woman. Harmless woman. Woman that cannot even hurt a fly. Her heart is like my heart. Our heart joined together is very soft. Our heart is very soft.
What she doing?
Leave her alone. I don't get power. If you want to dance now, they go up. They go up.
Gbogbo nǹkan tẹ̀ ń sọ.
They go up.
Gbogbo nǹkan tẹ̀ ń sọ ni mò ń gbọ́.
Answer me, they go up.
Na all the thing wey I dey talk na you and
Nah.
gbogbo nǹkan tẹ̀ ń sọ.
Na troublesome, they go up.
No.
Oh, yeah, why you
They
no
go
dey
up.
Eh? My pikin no
I
well.
want to
You say
respect
make
you.
him comot.
I don't want to disrespect
Ugo.
Ó fẹ́ rí mi.
Firstly,
Ó fẹ́ rí mi.
this is not your child's
Ilé ọmọ mi, ilé ọmọ
I
mi
am
mo
the
wà.
rightful wife.
Wife
I'm the
mi
only
mo.
wife.
Níbo ló ti wá?
Your child's
Níbo
matter
ló
is
ti
in
wá?
the court.
Court.
And she should remain inside the court and
Ilé
not
ọmọ mi
here.
lélẹ̀, ilé
This
ọmọ
is
mi.
my house and you have no
Ilé
right
ọmọ
to
mi.
enter my kitchen.
Irọ́ ló
I don't
pa.
want to disrespect you,
Irọ́ ló
madam.
pa, ò lè ṣe kankan.
Inside my kitchen.
Ò lè ṣe kankan.
You dey enter there, they cook wait, wetin una dey concoct this
I
time.
go cook for
The
my
next thing
pikin.
they go bring their
My
village
soldier
people now.
come and
All the Yoruba people go pack
Ilé ọmọ
enter
mi.
here come dey see.
Ilé ọmọ mi.
Let's go bring people from village wey dey come.
Ṣọ́ọ́nì kọ̀tọ̀kọ̀tọ̀.
Madam, carry your troublesome daughter, you people should go to your village.
Ṣọ́ọ́nì kọ̀tọ̀kọ̀tọ̀
To Ngbasi you no get one stay.
Ṣọ́ọ́nì wọ́n.
Okay, she's in trouble. Now she brought you to continue the trouble, abi.
Ọjọ́ kọ́ máa sọ̀rọ̀ sí mi, àbí.
Abeg, madam, I'm locking my kitchen
Ìwọ
now.
náà
I am a wicked
tó o
person.
bá
I
tó o
want
bá
you
tó
to
o
know
lọ́ọ̀kẹ́.
that.
Wọ́n
I am
lọ
a
We go leave them. We'll go up.
No,
Apple,
I am a
let me-
wicked person. Let her know. Because what are
She's
you
a
doing inside my
troublesome
kitchen?
woman.
This is
Don't
just a
you
plan
know
work.
this
This
woman?
is a
This is a plan work for them to come.
Yes, now.
For all our
The
family
mother
to
is
come
here.
here, yes.
The next thing, yeah, what is that?
It's a plan work for our family to come here. I know. Let's just avoid them.
Thank God this is not even.
Oh, ṣọ́ọ̀bìnrin gidi.
Kind of.
Oh, ojúmọ́ máa ń fi ẹ̀ lára.
Don't worry.
Oh, ṣọ́ọ̀bìnrin gidi.
Like
I serve a living
daughter.
God.
Oh, níbẹ̀rù yìí.
Yes, I serve a living God.
Èmi má dà lọ.
Let them keep on pretending.
Yes.
Ìwọ.
See, I'm responsible. Madam,
Sorry.
I go beat you for here.
No,
I
she's a
go
woman.
beat you for here.
No, she's a woman.
Máa ṣe
See,
wọlé fún
that
ẹ.
person